Zach here. Evan and Colby are about 400 yards across the property here from me. It's chilly morning. Chilly Saturday morning down here in Kentucky. Got in here about 6. Been in the stand for about an hour. It's starting to get light enough where I can record and see. So, thought I'd do an intro. But, Evan sat here last night. Said he saw 12. So, I don't know. But, I'm hearing movement all over the place. So, I'm self-filming today. Y'all stay tuned. Should be a pretty good hunt. I'll show y'all a view. Just got out to the stand here. Got Colby behind the camera. Gonna try to harvest the doe tonight. They're here every night, so we kicked 2 in coming in. But, yeah, it should be a good night. Y'all stay tuned. What's up, guys? Zach here. We're at our permission farm here in Campbellsville, and I'm hoping today maybe I can get it done. I got it done yesterday morning. Should be a good hunt. Deer's been moving pretty good, but getting out there kind of a little bit late, but hopefully that doesn't do anything. It's kind of warm today, so I got this on right now. It's one of my lighter duty things. But I got my other jacket, or not jacket, but long sleeve around my back for when it cools down, because when it cools down down here. The wind's pretty cold. But you'll stay tuned. It should be a pretty good hunt. I'll start recording again when I get to the stand, and let you know what I think when I get there. That's it. Alright, y'all. We just got settled into the stand. My pine was all falling down, so I had to fix that. So I'm all brushed in again. It's pretty noisy in the woods, so hopefully it's a good evening. I did get in here pretty late. It's like 4:30 right now, 5 o'clock-ish. So get started here about 7:38. So should see how that goes. But still got a little bit of corn out there. Yeah, it should be a good hunt for you guys. Y'all stay tuned. that's not what you want to happen, but bow shooting weird today, but we got it done. I feel bad, but it is what it is. Harvested a whitetail here. She's a little doe.